Model, 2013 Iveco Daily 35C15H 1900 with B3950 twin-wheeler 64k low miles needs engine repair. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 64,993. Engine, 2287 cc F1AE348-1A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none-runner engine has seized. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.